welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Tiana. Today is the Friday after Thanksgiving and my family likes to go up to Apple Hill, which is a bunch of farms and it's really festive and cute. So yeah, we're gonna go up there today. It's kind of far away, so we had to wake up early. I woke up at 6:30. So I'm kind of tired and my voice has not woken up yet. Anyway, so we just got to my parents' house, so I'm going to swap cars so we can head up to Apple Hill.
Until 7 days, 1 day's time.
We finished at High Hill and now we're at Apple Ridge to get some food. Wait, they're not real? They're not real. We got our food. What'd you get, EJ? A chili dog?
Yeah.
I got a cheeseburger.
Pulled pork.
Mom got pulled pork and what'd you get, Daddy?
Burger.
Oh, yeah, Beyond Burger. What'd you guys get?
Barbecue sauce on the side there, but I didn't know what else to do with it.
Today's been fun so far. However, Docs were not the right shoe choice. We're walking around a lot and my feet hurt.
I can sing also.
Oh, got it.
Hi, pretty. Hi guys, it is Saturday. Basically today all we did was relax and rest, which was really nice. It is now 6 and we are gonna head out, go watch a movie and then walk around the shops afterwards. But before we do that, I want to get a little bit of cleaning done. Our kitchen is a wreck. We also just got our new fridge, so all of the plastic pieces and everything is kind of out of place. But let me just show you what I want to get done. Okay, so the counter is obviously a mess. We got some donuts earlier and some Pete's, and like I said, all the plastic and manual stuff is sitting around. We have a little bit left of dishes to clean. My mom actually washed a lot of them for us on Thanksgiving, so that was really helpful and I don't have to do those, but I do have a little bit left to do, and just like some other random objects sitting around. So yeah, that's what I have to do. Alright guys, so I only got some of the dishes done, but our movie is about to start, so we need to head out. Guys, so we just got back home. After the movie got out, it was a little bit late, so all the shops were already closed, but that's okay. I have a lot of stuff here at home that I still need to do, so I'm just going to finish cleaning up. So when we were gone at the movie, the pots had some time to dry, so now I have some space for the chargers. Alrighty, the kitchen is all clean. It feels so good to have a clean kitchen again. I'm going to go relax for the night, but I will see you guys tomorrow. We are going to be putting up our Christmas tree, probably right over there or right there. Not really sure yet, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Hi everyone! So it is Sunday. We stayed home today because EJ was not feeling well. My mom is on her way over. We're gonna go to Barnes & Noble and sit in the cafe for a little bit. And then when I come home, EJ and I are going to go walk the shops since we weren't able to last night because everything was closed after the movie. And then, like I said, we're going to put our Christmas tree up, which I'm really excited about because it's our first Christmas tree since we've been married. And it's just really exciting to be able to put it up with him. But yeah, I'm going to make some toast and wait for my mom. Mommy's here. I got a croissant breakfast sandwich.
Like, I don't know, I think they do it better than other than eat it.
We're on our way to Target. guys, I'm back. I actually did a lot more shopping than I thought I would, so let's talk about what I got. So the first thing I got, or the first thing that I saw, was this little mug from Barnes & Noble. I didn't really have anything for holding hot drinks for when I go out, and I thought this was just really cute. So yeah, that was the first thing. And then the next thing that I got was a 2023 planner, but this one is like, it's super cute. Like all of the pages are different. There's stickers. I don't know, I just really like it. And I was telling my mom this, I feel like the reason I struggle with using other planners is because they're so neat and pretty and like minimalistic, and I'm scared of writing in them to actually write things that I need to remember because I'm scared of like making it look ugly. But this, since there's already so much going on, like there's so much stuff going on in this planner, it's just already fun, so like you can't really mess it up, you can just add to it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm really excited to use this one. Those were both from Barnes & Noble. And then we went to Target. My brother and sister-in-law are coming over, and so we needed some more towels because we only had 4 for me and EJ, and so we just needed some extra towels. And then I got some little porcelain trees for decorating. I got 3 of these kind and 3 of these kind. And then I got some of these fake trees. I got 5 of them. I wanted to decorate one of the half walls with these, as well as these together, and I thought it would be really cute, so. And then the last thing I got was this little wallet. It's very small, holds cards and whatnot, and yeah, very handy. Yeah, that's everything I got today. So EJ is getting ready to head out, and then we're gonna go to the streets of Brentwood and just look around and have a fun little date night. We're headed to the shops. We came for cologne, but I found some makeup. This one's Tarte, the Ultra Creamy Concealer, and then this one is Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. Hi guys, so we just got back home. We actually ended up going to Walmart because I really wanted some ramen, but I found these really cute mugs. Like, look, it's so cute. I've been needing another mug because I've been using the same mug, and I can't wait to drink out of these. Also, I've never heard of this, but EJ, I guess, thinks that this is a really good hot chocolate. And tonight, after we decorate the Christmas tree, we're going to make some hot chocolate and watch Harry Potter. Yeah, so we're going to decorate the tree. So these are all of my ornaments. I think this one is probably my favorite one still, and then this one is second. But this one was from our wedding. And yeah, these are all of EJ's ornaments. Got a lot. This one was from last year, the sushi, oops. The little sushi. Look at this one. Eee! And that was EJ's very first ornament. We just put the stockings over here and put them underneath the stumps so that we don't have to make any holes in the wall. My grandma actually makes these for all of our family members, so they're really special.